Morning routine. Are you awake now?
Yes, I am.
Are you awake now?
Yes, I am.
Did you brush teeth?
Yes, I did.
Did you brush teeth?
Yes, I did.
Was the water cold?
No, it wasn't.
Was the water cold?
No, it wasn't.
Did you wash face?
Yes, it is clean.
Did you wash face?
Yes, it is clean.
Where are your socks?
In the drawer.
Where are your socks?
In the drawer.
Are you feeling cold?
Just a little.
Are you feeling cold?
Just a little.
Do you need help?
No, I don't.
Do you need help?
No, I don't.
Are you dressed now?
Yes, I am.
Are you dressed now?
Yes, I am.
Where are your shoes?
Under the table.
Where are your shoes?
Under the table.
Did you comb hair?
Not yet, Mom.
Did you comb hair?
Not yet, Mom.
Can you tie laces?
I need help.
Can you tie laces?
I need help.
Are you ready now?
Almost ready, Mom.
Are you ready now?
Almost ready, Mom.
Is your bag packed?
Yes, it's done.
Is your bag packed?
Yes, it's done.
Did you eat breakfast?
I ate toast.
Did you eat breakfast?
I ate toast.
Want some more milk?
Yes, please, Mom.
Want some more milk?
Yes, please, Mom.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you need water?
Yes, I do.
Do you need water?
Yes, I do.
Is your room clean?
Not yet, Mom.
Is your room clean?
Not yet, Mom.
Who made this mess?
I'm really sorry.
Who made this mess?
I'm really sorry.
Did you make bed?
Yes, I did.
Did you make bed?
Yes, I did.
Ready for school now.
Yes, let's go.
Ready for school now.
Yes, let's go.
Did you do homework?
Yes, it's done.
Did you do homework?
Yes, it's done.
What did you learn?
I learned numbers.
What did you learn?
I learned numbers.
Was school fun today?
Yes, very fun.
Was school fun today?
Yes, very fun.
Who is your friend?
Mark is nice.
Who is your friend?
Mark is nice.
Did you read book?
Yes, I did.
Did you read book?
Yes, I did.
What did teacher say?
She liked me.
What did teacher say?
She liked me.
Can you write name?
Yes, I can.
Can you write name?
Yes, I can.
What color is this?
It's blue, Mom.
What color is this?
It's blue, Mom.
Can you draw circle?
Yes, look here.
Can you draw circle?
Yes, look here.
Did you eat lunch?
I ate rice.
Did you eat lunch?
I ate rice.
Did you share food?
Yes, with Tim.
Did you share food?
Yes, with Tim.
Can we read together?
Sure, let's read not too much.
Can we read together?
Sure, let's read not